Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. In the previous sessions, we have finished up the syllabus and we were going with the revision after that. So, under the revision, we cover some of the most important topics also once again, children. As we have seen about different events and different concepts under this social studies of 7th standard. You have learnt about the reading of maps, rains and rivers, the groundwater and tanks, ocean and fishing, okay, and even we also have learnt about the handicrafts and handlooms, the kings, Vijayanagara Empire, the Kakatiyas, Mughal Empire, establishment of British Empire, making of the laws in the state assembly. So there were various lessons which we have discussed under the syllabus. So we'll recapitulate one after the other until the summative examination. So I'll go today with the Kakatiyas, the emergence of Kakatiyas, which you have forgotten, I hope, okay, because we belong to this land, okay. Orugallu was the capital city of Kakatiyas and we belong to this region. Our school के सामने जो 1000 pillars temple था वो बनाया सो है Kakatiyas था. So let us learn about the Kakatiyas. Some of the most important kings of Kakatiyas, do you remember, children? रुद्रमा देवी के बारे में पढ़े थे हम, याद है आपको? Do you remember about it? Who is the founder of Kakatiya Empire, children? Prola II is the founder of the Kakatiya Empire, and after him Rudradeva, and after him Ganapati Deva, and after him Rudrama Devi, and last ruler of the Kakatiyas was the Prataparudra. Actually, I must tell you about the history of Kakatiyas. These Kakatiyas were actually, they were the subordinate kings under the Shatavahanas. So later, from the Shatavahanas, they have occupied, when the Shatavahanas became weak, okay, with their capital as Orugallu, Aramakonda, they started their own kingdom and that flourished as a Kakatiya kingdom. So between the period of 1000 to 1400 AD, according to the tradition, there were many books which are written in Telugu, and one of the few Telugu literature books, one of the oldest Telugu literature book is Srimad Andhra Mahabharatam. Srimad Andhra Mahabharatam is one of the oldest book, and this is written by the Kavitrayamu. Kavitrayamu bole to teen kavi, Trayamu bole to three. Okay, teen kavi milke likhe the. One is Nannaya, the second one is Tikkana, and third one is Yerra Pragada. So these three people have written this important Telugu literate book, that is Andhra Mahabharatam. And there are also many other books which were written, like Vidyanatha has written a book called as Prataparudra Yashobhushanam. Prataparudra Yashobhushanam is written by Vidyanatha, and even Vinukonda Vallabhacharya's Kridabhiramamu or Ekamranta's Prataparudra Charitramu are some of the books through which we have come to know about the rule of Kakatiyas in this region. And you know, we have a big tribal festival celebrated in this district also. That is in the erstwhile Warangal district. Sammakka Saraka Jatra bolke hoti thi. So who are those Sammakka and Saraka? They are the two tribal women who fought for the rights of the tribals against to the Kakatiyas, and they died in that war. So since then they turned out to be the godly features, and since then the people from different communities pray to this Sammakka and Saraka. And you know, the Rudradeva, actually the capital was shifted from Hanamakonda to Warangal. Previously it was Hanamakonda, and it got later shifted to Orugallu. Orugallu is nothing but the old name of Warangal is called as Orugallu. हमारा पुराना नाम, Warangal का पुराना नाम जो है वो Orugallu है, Orugallu. So this was the capital city of Kakatiyas. कभी Fort Warangal गए आप? किला Warangal को गए कभी? So that is actually the capital city of these people, and the construction also you can observe the fort, and even how at the middle of the city they have constructed a beautiful temple, Swayambhu Shiva temple, and from there the four gateways were there called as Kakatiya Toranas. The gateways, big gateways were also established. So these people called themselves as Andhra Rajas. So they sought to bring together the three regions of Telugu speaking, that is the Telangana region, Rayalaseema and Andhra region. In this manner, the Kakatiya kings also tried to build a kind of Telugu conscious, regional consciousness to some extent also. So about Kakatiyas we shall further understand in tomorrow's revision also, children. Thank you.